Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two of the top smart home lighting systems, Philips Hue and LIFX. Both brands are feature-packed, but which one offers more flexibility for your home? Let's find out. Starting with Philips Hue, this system is known for its wide ecosystem and excellent integration with platforms like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. It offers a vast range of products, including bulbs, light strips, and outdoor options. Hue lights are renowned for their rich colors, smooth dimming, and the ability to create custom scenes. The Hue Bridge unlocks additional features like syncing lights to your TV or music, but it does require an extra purchase. On the other hand, LIFX shines with its hub-free design, making it easier to set up. These lights offer vivid colors and individually addressable zones on some products, allowing for more creative lighting effects. LIFX integrates with most smart platforms and even supports custom animations, adding a playful element to your lighting setup. While its ecosystem isn't as expansive as Hue's, its powerful app and unique features make up for it. Both systems deliver great smart lighting experiences. Philips Hue excels in ecosystem variety and advanced features when paired with the Hue Bridge, while LIFX leads in convenience and creative lighting effects. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let us know which system you'd pick for your smart home. See you in the next video.